A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe.
Also, as I'm looking over here on our neighbor here, I just want to bring to your attention, this is something that shows where if you just try to do the job, but you don't necessarily do it right, you're going to run into problems eventually. Here you can see they've got a water membrane, a delta board as we call it. That's to prevent moisture from actually below the grade in underground from adhering or puncturing through or pressing up the foundation and getting drawn in where you get moisture, efflorescence and things like that. So it's certainly going to do that job, but you need to clean it up. You need to have a nice trim on top because obviously with gravity, with rain, we can see where it's wavy off the foundation. All that vertical water that's going to drip down is going to get in behind there, making that dimple board completely useless. It's going to bypass that water barrier that prevent water from going in there, and that's the whole purpose of this. So it's just that one extra step, and you'd be amazed at the amount of calls that representatives like myself from A&A Masonry we get to correct these water issues, that if they were just done right the first time, if they just had the full knowledge, you prevent any of these problems from occurring and potentially huge expenses, because when you start getting underground, that's when the big budgets start to happen, because you just have to deal with things in a very big way, and that means big budgets and very costly repairs that could have been avoided. This would have been much easier if they just cleaned this up with a nice trim, do a little pointing. If they wanted to, they could paint the bricks here with the SureGuard sealant. And, again, there's so many nice products out there. You just want to take the time, make sure it's right for you, right for your house, and do the right job. Just do it once, and then you're done.
To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.